Attention, student of class 8th. There is a chapter, your first chapter. I am providing you first chapter notes, that is A Shot in the Dark. Right, first of all write down the title and then draw the title page as well in the beginning of the chapter. Now our first slide is regarding words meaning of the chapter. Make it down in your literature copies, okay? Leave one page for the syllabus and then the title page of the chapter, A Shot in the Dark, and then start writing the word meaning: acquaintance, a person who knows slightly; astuteness, cleverness; disarray, untidy; elusive, difficult to find; quid, slang term for British pounds; obliged, grateful; ruefully, sorrowfully; rambler, a hiker; sedately, calmly; and number 10 is vigorous, energetic. Now start with the next page, okay? These are 10 words and meaning you have to do at a one page, okay? And do your work neatly, please. Question and answer. Write down the heading at the top of the page with the black marker, okay? Question and answer. Question number 1. Which position does Philip Slatherby hope to get? And the answer is Philip Slatherby hopes to become the Member of Parliament for the county of Yorkshire. Question number 2. Who is Philip Slatherby on the way to visit and why? And the answer is Philip Slatherby is on the way to visit Mrs. Sultan Jago because if she approves of him, she will support his ambition to become the MP for Yorkshire. Question number 3. How does Bertie know that Philip Slatherby is going to visit Bertie's mother? And the answer is Bertie knows that Philip Slatherby is going to visit Bertie's mother because he hears Slatherby, club acquaintance, saying that through the rain window. Full stop. Question number 4. Where is Bertie going? And the answer is Bertie is going from London to the countryside to go fishing for the weekend. This is the answer of question number 4. Now class, with the next page, write down the heading at the top of the page, reference to contest, and the reference is should also be written with the black marker or pointer. There was a tinge of coldness in his voice. And again, students, you are having questions, so write it down in your copy with the black pointer. Mention the chapter's name, and the answer is A Shot in the Dark. Question number 2. What does the statement mean? Question mark. Answer. Cold is used as synonyms for hostility, unfriendliness here. Question number 3. Who is being described here? Question mark. Answer. Slatherby is described here. Question number 4. Why does he feel as he does? Answer. Slatherby believes that Bertie lied to him and he is unable to disguise his feelings. Full stop. When he hears Bertie description of his family crest. Now student, what you have to do, you have to make a separate copy of literature. Okay, at your first page write down the literature syllabus. You are having 2 chapters and 2 poems. Make it down and then start writing your work with the title page, that is A Shot in the Dark, and draw the drawing. If you are good at drawing A Shot in the Dark, it is we can say there is a drawing in your book as well. You may make the copy of it. Okay, draw the drawing of A Shot in the Dark and then start writing the slides as I have shown it to you. First topic is word meaning and then question and answer and then the reference to contest. I hope so student of class 8, you will follow the instruction as I have instructed you. So make a separate copy for literature and a separate copy for language, and don't make partition in the language copy. Okay, I will instruct you everything in my lecture, okay, how you have to maintain your language copy. So don't touch language copies right now. Nowadays we are dealing with the literature work. First of all we will complete our literature and then I will complete our language topics as well, or might be we will go side by side with the literature and language as well. So student, you have to complete this work in your literature copies neatly and carefully as I had instructed you in the classroom during this lecture. Okay, I hope so you will understand my lecture and you will follow my instruction as I had instructed you. Okay students, stay blessed and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.